In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automate the tedious task of reconciling all of your transactions in Xero. If you're anything like me, you will have thousands of transactions every single month, and once you've assigned all of those transactions to your spend and receive money rules, it comes the dreaded task of needing to press OK for every single one. And today I have 679 transactions I need to press OK with. This is not okay. So I've developed a little extension that you can install straight into your Google Chrome browser. You don't need to enter any login details, it does not store any information, and it's extremely lightweight. You would click the icon, select how long you want to wait for each time it processes, so I'm going to say around 3 seconds, and then click Start. And now you can see by this number here that every 3 seconds it's clicking OK for all of those buttons. But this isn't even the greatest bit. You can go ahead, jump into your Facebook page, have a browse on my profittutorials.com where you learn all sorts of automation techniques for your business, and in the background this is running for you. If you'd like to install this extension, go ahead and click the link below.